In this video, we'll walk you through how to explore, manage, and make the most of your visitors section, helping you connect more effectively with the people interacting with your bot. To access the visitors section, log into your ChatBot account and click the visitors icon in the left sidebar. Once there, you'll see different subsections to browse: all visitors, all leads, recent visitors, and segments. By default, you'll be taken to the all visitors section. Here, you can view everyone who has interacted with your bot, sorted by the last time they chatted. You'll also see key details like their name, email, and country. You can customize the displayed columns by clicking the plus icon on the right. These customized columns will be included when you export visitor data. To export, click the three-dot symbol above the visitors list. The exported file will be sent to your email. You can also delete visitors using the same menu. You can filter visitors based on time, the bot, or default attributes gathered during the chat. Click Add Filter to explore the available filter options. When your visitor list grows, filters help you pinpoint a specific audience. You can apply multiple filters and choose whether visitors must meet all criteria or just one of them. Additionally, you can add visitors to segments directly from this view. Segments let you create useful lists for marketing campaigns, databases, and more. You can manage or review existing segments in the section on the left. The All Leads section shows all the leads your bot has collected. You can determine which visitors are added here by using the Add to Leads action in your bot flow. Whether it's sales, marketing, or support leads, this section organizes them for you. Similarly to the All Visitors section, you can filter, add visitors to segments, export data, and delete them. In the Recent Visitors section, you can view all visitors who chatted with your bot in the last 24 hours. If more than 24 hours have passed since their last interaction, they'll still be available in the All Visitors section. Let's move on to segments. Segments allow you to create and manage visitor groups based on specific criteria, such as newsletter signups, VIP visitors, or returning users. To add a new segment, click Add New, provide a name, and confirm. You can filter, export, or remove visitors from specific segments at any time. And that's the Visitors section, designed to help you easily manage, analyze, and act on your chatbot's audience. If you'd like to learn more about ChatBot, check out other videos on our channel.